Hi guys, welcome to the Technology in the Future. Today we are introducing you the concept of Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. It is the most powerful phone that you ever seen by Xiaomi company. It displays that it contains the powerful processor, awesome camera setup, and it loads with interesting specs. It contains the two range of colors, blue, black. Well, its finishing is too good to watch. It has the network of 4G LTE high quality. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro has a curved glass back like Xiaomi Mi 10. It also creates fantastic effects. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro has the display of 6.39 inch with powerful 2K screen resolution. This phone gives you the high quality HDR display that you ever seen. Now coming to its CPU. It has the interesting Snapdragon 855 octa-core, which is the most powerful processor that you ever came in the market. Its operating system is newly updated of Android 9.0 MIUI 10 Android. It contains the 6GB fast RAM and 128GB ROM. Now let's discuss its camera. For the most part, the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro experience has an excellent type. It contains 3 cameras. Its back camera contains 48 megapixel, 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel. Its front camera contains 48 megapixel HD quality. It records the video of 4K high definition. It has the battery capacity of 4000 mAh, Li-ion battery, fast chargeable. This phone has an extensive battery backup which gives you the long lasting battery timing. Well, these are some interesting specs that we brought to you. So stay tuned for more updates and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon button. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.